Hi guys, this week's Greek and Latin roots are titled Just Gotta Know. Men means mindful or recall. Ology means study. And psi means to know. Let's look at some words that have these roots. Memoir, a written account in which someone describes past experiences. The explorer's memoir contained fascinating information about his discoveries as well as his personal daily activities. Memorialize, to do or create something that causes people to remember an important person, thing, or event. Mount Rushmore memorializes 4 of the greatest U.S. presidents. This is Mount Rushmore. Memorable, very good or interesting and worth remembering. My first time visiting New York City was one of the most memorable trips of my life. Geology, the scientific study of the history of the Earth, especially as recorded by rocks. Geology has determined that the approximate age of the Earth is 4.54 billion years old. Anthropology, the study of human races, origins, societies, and cultures. Because I am very interested in learning about humans and different cultures, I will major in anthropology when I go to college. Etymology, the study of the origin of words and the way in which their meanings have changed throughout history. One example of etymology is the study of Greek and Latin roots. Science, the study of the natural world based on facts, learning through experiments and observations. My favorite subject in school is science because I love learning about the world around us. Conscience, the part of the mind that tells you certain actions are right or wrong. Even though I didn't want to fail the test, my conscience just wouldn't allow me to cheat. Conscientious, very careful about doing what you are supposed to do, concerned with doing something correctly. Tim is a very conscientious student who works hard and takes pride in his work. This cute little cartoon says, what are other words for conscientious? Scrupulous, painstaking, meticulous, careful, honest, particular, punctilious, diligent, strict, and exact. I will also be posting just the regular PowerPoint under this link in case you need it to do your assignment.